Well, building some custom 10s here. To be honest with you, it should look something like that. Get this thing out. Now I gotta keep my phone away from this thing because it's gonna be so strong. It's gonna really mess up my phone if I get my phone close to it. So I'm gonna put my phone over here, about there. All right, this thing's gonna be heavy. Will mess up my phone if I get this thing too close to it. So I can't really get very much close-ups, but you'll be alright. Yeah, now we're talking. There we go. Nice and fresh. Oh, okay. Look at that. Okay, oh, got some scratches. Hey, they scratched it. How dare them? Bolt patterns looking good. Coil size looking the same. Here we go. I'll leave a link down below in the description for my Facebook. Well, I'll leave a link down below. Oh, Jesus. I'll leave a link on a post on my Facebook of these custom 10s, and you guys can see some photos of it. Damn, they really don't treat their stuff very good. But I'm gonna leave a little link down below. I'm gonna see if I can get these damn magnets apart. Oh, sorry. Man, these things are tough. Oh, it's repelled. No. Get away. No, no, I can't even get that off. Okay. Oh, damn. Those things are strong. Oof. I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you guys want to see these custom 10s built. Yeah, you can go check that out. So, yeah.